Welcome, fellow travelers, to a journey into the heart of Ethiopia after the sun goes down. Today, we're diving deep into the secret nightlife of Addis Ababa, a city that truly comes alive when the stars appear. Forget what you think you know, because we're about to uncover some unbelievable gems that you absolutely must see. So grab your sense of adventure and let's explore the vibrant, pulsating, and utterly captivating nights of Addis Ababa together. First things first, let's talk about the vibe. The nightlife here isn't just about one thing. It's a rich tapestry woven from ancient traditions and modern beats. It's a place where you can find yourself swaying to the hypnotic rhythms of traditional Ethiopian music one moment and dancing to the latest global hits the next. It's this incredible blend that makes Addis so unique. The energy is infectious, the people are warm, and every corner holds a new surprise. Our first stop is a place that embodies this beautiful fusion, a traditional Asmari Bet. Now, if you haven't experienced an Asmari Bet, you are in for a treat. These are intimate, lively venues where minstrels known as Asmaris perform. They are masters of improvisation, crafting witty, often hilarious, and sometimes deeply moving songs on the spot, based on the audience. Picture this, you're sitting in a cozy room, sipping on some tej, which is a delicious local honey wine, and the Asmari starts singing about you, your friends, or even the funny face you just made. It's interactive, it's authentic, and it's pure Ethiopian soul. It's not just a performance. It's a conversation through music and laughter. Finding a good one can feel like discovering a hidden treasure, and the experience will stay with you long after the music fades. Now, let's switch gears and fast forward to the modern era. Addis Ababa has a booming contemporary music scene. And nowhere is this more evident than in its jazz clubs. Did you know that Ethiopia has its own unique genre of jazz called Ethio-jazz? It was pioneered by legends like Mulatu Astatke, and it's a mesmerizing blend of traditional Ethiopian scales with the soulful improvisation of Western jazz. Visiting a place like Mama's Kitchen or the African Jazz Village is like stepping into a time machine. The air is thick with incredible music, the saxophones wail with a distinctly Ethiopian flavor, and the vibe is just impossibly cool. It's sophisticated, it's groovy, and it's a testament to the city's creative spirit. You don't have to be a jazz aficionado to appreciate it. The rhythm will grab you and won't let go. But what if you're looking to just dance the night away? Don't worry, Addis has you covered. The Bole area, in particular, is the city's modern entertainment hub. Here you'll find a wide array of clubs and lounges pumping out everything from Afrobeats and reggae to hip-hop and electronic music. Places like the V Club or Black Pearl are popular spots where you can mingle with a stylish crowd of locals and expats. The energy is electric, the sound systems are top-notch, and the dance floors are always packed. It's the perfect way to let loose and experience the youthful, cosmopolitan side of the city. Everyone is there to have a good time, and the shared joy is palpable. It's a fantastic way to connect with the city's modern pulse. Let's take a moment to talk about something truly special. Something that often flies under the radar for many visitors, the cultural dance shows. These are not your typical tourist traps. Venues like Yad Abyssinia or 2000 Habesha Cultural Restaurant offer a spectacular evening that's a feast for all the senses. As you enjoy a massive platter of delicious Ethiopian cuisine, think in Gare with dozens of different stews and vegetables, dancers in vibrant traditional attire take the stage. They perform dances from all the different regions of Ethiopia, each with its own unique style, story, and rhythm. From the shoulder-shaking Eskista dance of the Amhara and Tigrayan people to the energetic jumps of the Oromo, it's a dazzling display of the country's immense cultural diversity. It's more than just a dinner show. It's a living museum of Ethiopian heritage, and it's absolutely captivating. Now for those who prefer a more laid-back evening. Addis offers plenty of chic rooftop bars and cozy lounges where you can unwind with a great view. Imagine sipping a perfectly crafted cocktail while looking out over the sparkling city lights. Places like the roof at the Zefmesh Grand Hotel or the top view at the Monarch Hotel offer exactly that. These spots provide a more relaxed atmosphere, perfect for deep conversations with friends or a quiet moment of reflection. The panoramic views of Addis spread out below you are simply breathtaking. It's a different kind of nightlife energy, calm, sophisticated, and utterly magical. It's the perfect way to end a busy day of exploring, watching the city breathe from above. Let's talk about safety and logistics for a moment, because that's always important. Like any big city, it's wise to be aware of your surroundings. It's generally best to take a reliable ride-hailing service like Ride or Fears to get around at night. Stick to well-lit areas and maybe go out with a group if you can. The people of Addis are incredibly friendly and welcoming, but it never hurts to be a smart traveler. Also, don't be afraid to ask locals for recommendations. People are usually more than happy to point you towards their favorite hidden spots, which are often the most memorable. One of the most beautiful aspects of Addis Ababa's nightlife is the sense of community. Whether you're in a crowded Asmari Bet, a packed dance club, or a lively cultural restaurant, you'll feel a shared sense of joy and celebration. It's a city that knows how to have a good time, and it invites you to join in. Don't be shy. Strike up a conversation. Try to learn a few Eskista shoulder moves and embrace the experience. The connections you make and the memories you create will be the best souvenirs you take home. It's this human element that truly makes the nights here so special. So, to recap our nocturnal adventure, we've laughed with the quick-witted Asmaris. We've grooved to the soulful sounds of Ethio-jazz. We've danced our hearts out to modern beats. We've been mesmerized by vibrant cultural performances. And we've chilled out on stunning rooftops overlooking the city. The nightlife in Addis Ababa is a microcosm of the city itself, diverse, dynamic, and full of heart. It's a place where ancient traditions and modern trends don't just coexist. They dance together in beautiful harmony. So the next time you find yourself in Ethiopia's capital, don't just call it a day when the sun sets. The city has a whole other personality waiting to be discovered. Venture out, be open, and let the rhythm of Addis Ababa guide you through the night. You'll uncover a world of music, dance, and culture that is truly unforgettable. These aren't just places to go. They are experiences to be lived. Thank you so much for joining me on this virtual tour of Addis Ababa's secret nightlife. I hope it's inspired you to explore this incredible city for yourself. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content about hidden gems around the world, please give it a thumbs up. And more importantly, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next adventure. Until next time, travel safely and keep exploring.